lecture number 13, and the topic is policies implemented. So I'll give it a brief view. So why are public policies implemented? The first question is, what is public policy? Public policy basically is an essential function of government, and government uses it as a tool for addressing societal challenges, and it is the result of a great number of individuals working together to solve common problems. Basically, the public policy making cycle is a streamlines this process. We can say it is basically public policy describes the actions of government that government takes, usually created in response to issues brought before decision makers. These policies come in the form of laws and regulations. They may be created by any government governing body, um, from higher to lower level. The goal of public policy cannot be separated from its source. Both government and public policy help meet basic societal needs and obligations, decide how communities, states, or nations manage resources, and keep general order in society. We all know that the policy making process, it has some phases. Like for example, I have like number one, I have agenda setting. Number two, policy formulation. This is basically policy making process. Number three, policy legitimation. Number four, policy implementation. And number five, policy evaluation. So agenda setting. When we talk about the policy, public policy, what is public policy? Public policy means basically government policy, the policy that is made by the government for the betterment of the country, for the betterment of the people of the concerned or respective country. And if they are facing any problem regarding any institution or department, the government has a power to make the policy regarding that concerned department, and implement the policy, and set goals to achieve the targets of that policy at the end of the policy after its evaluation. So the policy makers play a very vital role in this regard. And so first of all, there comes agenda setting. Government would see what is the actual problem, what is the root cause of the problem. The government would find it out, and make the policy accordingly, and formulate it in a way like legitimately, in a legal way. So in this way the policies are implemented, and the problem would be sought out, the policy would be formulated, and then it would be legitimized. So then comes implementation of the policy, and at the end the policy would be evaluated. So the policy maintenance, succession, or termination. After evaluation, we would see that what is the status of the public policy that we implemented. And the status means, would it be terminated or would it be succeeded? So we would see at the end of the policy. So then comes basically the public policies. Why public policies are implemented? Why are they made? They are made for the betterment of the people. They are made for the prosperity of the people of the concerned department. Public policy basically describes the actions of government. They are usually created in response to issues brought before decision makers. These policies come in front of the laws and legislations. Basically some policies are so good and effective that they take the status of the laws, rules, and regulations. We all know the process of lawmaking in our country, that Legislation is responsible for making the laws of the country of Pakistan. For example, when uh, and then comes the judiciary. Judiciary interpret whether they are made in accordance with the provisions of the injunctions of the Holy Quran or not. Then comes the executive. Then executive would implement the law. If we talk about other side, the three organs of the parliament, that is legislature, that is executive, sorry, that is the house is now upper house senate, lower house national assembly, then comes the president, three organs of the parliament. How law is made? Basically, when one house, for example, if a senate gives a proposal or bill regarding any issue or problem, two-third majority of that house would accept it, then it would be sent to the other house. For example, if that is national assembly, then two-third majority of that house would also accept it, then it would be given to the president for final assent. When the president signed it, then it would become an act, because it, it is accepted by the are passed by the parliament, so it becomes the statutory law also, and that in this way the acts or laws are formed. So if there is any issue, like if some house does not like any provision, then it can send to the house in which it was originally created, and if the two-third majority of that house agreed to change that concerned provision, then it would be sent to the president for its final assent. So the laws that are made, that are also sometimes implemented as a good policy. So on the other side, the public policies, if they are made in a good way, so if they are implemented by the effective authority, so it would give more better results for the people of the state. And in this way, some public policies gain the status of law, rules and regulations, and implemented for long term, so that they give achievable, desirable results for the betterment of the country, and achieving the targets that are set for the public policy plans. For example, if it is the public policy is made for 5-year plans, so if and the results are desirable results are achieved in this time, so there is no need to make further, so that are also public policy, and in this way that public policies, that effective public policies gain the status of rules and regulation laws, we can say.